Every achievement in your life, every risk you take, every opportunity you pursue, every dream you allow yourself to believe in, all of it is controlled by one thing: your self-image. David J. Schwartz says you are not what you wish you were. You are not what others think you are. You are what you think you are. Your self-image is the blueprint for your future. If the blueprint is small, your life will be small. If the blueprint is big, your life expands to match it. Today, we break down how to build a powerful self-image so you can think bigger, act bolder, and live a life that reflects your true potential. Section 1. Your self-image sets your limits. Schwartz says your self-image is like a thermostat. It decides how high you rise and how low you fall. If your self-image is set low, you'll sabotage opportunities, avoid challenges, and shrink from growth. If your self-image is set high, you'll take risks, embrace challenges, and rise to meet bigger goals. Your self-image controls your confidence, your decisions, your performance, your relationships, your expectations, your future. You can't outperform your self-image. You can only grow to the level you believe you belong at. Section 2. You become what you think you are. Your mind listens to your thoughts the same way a child listens to a parent. If you tell yourself, "I'm not good enough," your mind obeys. If you tell yourself, "I always mess things up," your mind obeys. If you tell yourself, "I'm capable, I'm improving, I can handle this," your mind obeys that too. Your thoughts shape your identity. Your identity shapes your behavior. Your behavior shapes your results. This is why Schwartz says, you are what you think you are. If you think small about yourself, you'll live small. If you think big about yourself, you'll live big. Section 3. Stop underestimating yourself. Most people don't lack ability. They lack belief. They underestimate their intelligence, their talent, their creativity, their potential. They compare themselves to others and assume they're behind. They focus on their weaknesses instead of their strengths. They replay their failures instead of their progress. But Schwartz says, you are better, smarter, and more capable than you think you are. You've survived things you once thought would break you. You've solved problems you once thought were impossible. You've grown in ways you never expected. You are not behind. You are becoming. Section 4. Think big about yourself. Thinking big isn't just about goals. It's about identity. You must think big about who you are. Big thinkers say things like, I can learn this. I can handle this. I can grow into this. I deserve opportunities. They don't wait for confidence. They build it. They don't wait for permission. They give it to themselves. They don't wait to feel ready. They act their way into readiness. Thinking big about yourself is the foundation of thinking big about your life. Section 5. Your appearance affects your self-image. Schwartz makes a point that many people overlook. How you present yourself affects how you feel about yourself. When you dress well, you feel well. When you carry yourself with confidence, you think with confidence. When you take care of your appearance, you strengthen your identity. This isn't about vanity. It's about psychology. Your posture, your grooming, your clothing, they all send signals to your subconscious. If you look like someone who respects themselves, your mind starts believing it. Section 6. Your attitude shapes your image. Your attitude is the emotional tone you bring into the world. And people respond to it instantly. If you act defeated, people treat you like you're defeated. If you act confident, people treat you like you're confident. Your attitude becomes your reputation. Your reputation becomes your opportunities. Schwartz says, act the way you want to feel, and soon you'll feel the way you act. If you want to feel confident, act confident. If you want to feel capable, act capable. If you want to feel valuable, act valuable. Your attitude is the mirror that reflects your self-image back to you. Section 7. Speak to yourself like a leader. Your self-talk is the script your mind performs. If the script is negative, your life becomes negative. If the script is empowering, your life becomes empowering. Big thinkers speak to themselves with leadership, not criticism. They say, I can figure this out. I'm improving every day. I'm capable of more than I realize. I deserve success. Your words become your identity. Your identity becomes your destiny. Section 8. Stop letting others define you. Most people live inside a box built by other people's opinions. Parents, teachers, friends, coworkers, they all project their fears, their limits, their insecurities onto you. But Schwartz says, never let someone else's small thinking shrink your self-image. People who doubt you are really doubting themselves. People who limit you are really limited themselves. People who underestimate you are really underestimating their own potential. Your identity must come from within, not from the outside. Section 9. Build a self-image that attracts success. A powerful self-image doesn't come from pretending. It comes from practicing. Here is how big thinkers build it. They take small risks. They celebrate progress. They speak confidently. They walk with purpose. They maintain high standards. They surround themselves with believers. They challenge their comfort zone. They act before they feel ready. Every small act of courage strengthens your identity. Every small win rewires your self-belief. Every small step builds a bigger version of you. Section 10. The Self-Image Upgrade Checklist. Here's how to upgrade your self-image. Every day. 1. Speak to yourself with belief. 2. Stand tall and walk with purpose. 3. Dress in a way that reflects your goals. 4. Focus on strengths, not weaknesses. 5. Celebrate small wins. 6. Stop comparing yourself to others. 7. Surround yourself with people who lift you. 8. Challenge limiting beliefs. 9. Take small risks daily. 10. Visualize the person you want to become. 11. Act like the future version of you. 12. Expect more from yourself. 13. Refuse to shrink to fit anyone's comfort zone. 14. Believe you deserve success. Your self-image grows every time you choose courage over comfort. Closing. You are not defined by your past. You are not defined by your mistakes. You are not defined by other people's opinions. You are defined by what you think you are. Build a powerful self-image. Think big about yourself. Expect more from yourself. Believe in yourself. Because when you upgrade your self-image, you upgrade your entire life. Think big. Act big. Live big. If this inspired you, follow and subscribe to Greatness Quest Archive for more powerful lessons from the greatest books ever written.